Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video, too.
Age starts to take place like a bomb that keeps ticking, and they regret not chasing after it after they have damage. The ambition fades away like a red on the rose, and the regret sucks the life from everybody else.
Oh, dude, what the fuck are you doing?
Die, but ain't fake. But when I die, I'll kill myself with these lyrics I speak.
Good position to potentially have the best season of his career. A lot of people in our bold predictions or just season predictions chat the other day, there was a lot of people in there saying
about Dansby Swanson over the years, last couple years, just saying, you know, you don't want him as your 4-hitter, 5-hitter. It's about surrounding bigger hitters with Dansby Swanson, and Dansby Swanson is a really nice piece on your team. And I know you're paying him, but you're also paying him for the great defense.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.